Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. So today I am going to create this whole look, and if you want to know how do I achieve this look, please watch the video till end and please like the video and comment below अगर आपको video अच्छी लगे. So let's begin. So the first product which I am going to use today is this NYKA Premium Face Primer, which will instantly blur my pores and fine lines and also मेकअप को ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बनाएगा. After primer, I am using this concealer from Forever 52, which is in shade COV005, and going to conceal my dark spots and under eye area. Now I am going to blend the concealer with a damp beauty sponge. Guys, now you can see it has concealed all my dark spots and under eye area. After that, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and which is in shade 220. मैंने इसको अपने फेस पे अच्छे से डॉट डॉट करके अप्लाई कर लिया है. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस फाउंडेशन काबूकी ब्रश एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड माय फाउंडेशन. Now I am using this Maybelline concealer in shade 15, that is fair, and I am going to highlight my high points. So now I am going to blend this nicely. Taking this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder and going to set my base. Guys, now I am using this Wetnwild Mega Glow contouring palette and going to contour my face. गाइस, अगर आपको कॉन्टोरिंग एंड हाइलाइटिंग की फुल वीडियो देखनी हो तो आप ऊपर दिए गए आई बटन पे टैप करके वीडियो देख सकते हैं. Now I am using this small angular brush and going to contour my nose. After contouring, I am taking this Europegirl Cosmetics blush and it is in shade EG534. So guys, I have applied blusher on my apples of my cheeks, nose and some on my forehead and thoda sa chin. So guys, now I am using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil and I'm going to fill my brows. So first I am going to brush my brows down, and after that I am going to fill my brows. Now with the help of a spoolie, I am going to brush my brows up. Yeah, done. So guys, brows are done and let's move on to the eye makeup. For priming my eyes, I am again using this Maybelline concealer which is in shade Fair. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the same Maybelline compact. कंसीलर को सेट करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है ताकि हमारा आई मेकअप बिल्कुल भी पीस ना हो. So guys, today for my eye makeup I am using this Europegirl Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is in shade Cool Tone. So for my transition shade I am going to use this color. तो इसको अच्छे से मैं ब्लेंड कर लूँगी. ट्रांजिशन शेड क्रीज के ऊपर अप्लाई किया जाता है. ब्लेंडिंग इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, सो टेक योर टाइम एंड ब्लेंड इट नाइसली. शेड को मैंने अप्लाई कर लिया है अपनी दोनों आईलिड्स पर. एंड नाउ लेट्स टेक विद द डार्कर शेड. गाइस, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग दिस शेड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट ऑन माय क्रीज एंड द आउटर कॉर्नर ऑफ माय आईज. देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसको अपने आउटर कॉर्नर पे अप्लाई किया और उसके बाद इनर कॉर्नर तक इसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेंगे. अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर देंगे ट्रांजिशन शेड के साथ. टू डीपन इट मोर, सो जस्ट अप्लाइंग वन मोर लेयर ऑफ द शेड. एंड गाइस, जो भी डार्कर शेड होता है आप उसको एकदम आउटर कॉर्नर पे अप्लाई ना करें, थोड़ा सा अंदर ही अप्लाई करें और उसके बाद उसे आउटर की तरफ ब्लेंड करें. आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने इसको बिल्कुल आउटर कॉर्नर पे अप्लाई नहीं किया है. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा अंदर अप्लाई किया है, उसके बाद मैं इसको आउटर कॉर्नर की तरफ ब्लेंड करूँगी. Guys, now I am going to take this shade and going to apply it on my eyelid. Guys, on the inner eyelid I am going to apply this shade. Guys, इस eyeshadow palette के सारे ही colors बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented और बहुत अच्छे हैं. I really like this palette. Taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and going to highlight my brow bone. And also guys, I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. So now after that I'm using this Wetnwild white gold and I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. Now to complete my eye look, I am taking this shade again and going to apply it on my lower lash line. मैंने इस blue shade को center of the eyelid तक apply कर लिया है and in the rest of the part I am going to apply the same golden shade. I'm going to use this Maybelline hypercurl mascara and coat my lashes pretty well. So now I am taking this Europegirl liquid liner. So guys, after applying liner, I am going to wear these false lashes which are from PAC and it is in the number 59. So guys, I have applied my false eyelashes and if you want to learn how to apply and remove false eyelashes, you can tap the I button above and watch the video. So now moving on to my lips, I am going to apply this Europegirl poreless matte lipstick and which is in shade EG524. Now moving back to the highlighter, I am again using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and going to highlight my high points. This is the color bar lip gloss and it is in shade 002 and I am going to apply it on my lips. So now to set my makeup, I am using this Milani dewy makeup fixer. So guys, now wait for the final look.
Since my hair got cut and dyed.
look. And if you like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below अगर आपको ये look अच्छा लगा हो तो आप ये मेकअप किसी भी पार्टी, किसी भी वेडिंग पार्टी या फिर किसी भी फेस्टिवल पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in description below, so please check it out. I am absolutely loving this blue eye look and I hope you as well. Give this video a big thumbs up and please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video you will be notified. And also guys, you can comment below and tell me what next tutorial you want to see and I would definitely create it for you guys. So meet you soon guys. Till then, take care. Bye guys.
Seven days.